Here we come to the parking garage elevators at 3 Sugar Creek Center in Sugar Land, Texas. And I'm gonna try to talk over the music while I can. Thankfully, the elevator's here. All right, let's go to 6. I haven't seen these elevators in such a long time.
Floor. Going down.
It's a very cloudy day outside. It's just your basic elevator.
First floor.
Series 4 fixtures. I'm gonna end it at 2 and switch cars up there since I won't have to deal with that music down here, and talking over can pose a disruption.
Second floor.
There's already a phone right there. There's nothing. Oh, unfortunately, the other elevator car, unfortunately, is broken. Oh, okay, I didn't realize it. Okay, well, anyways, there it goes, and that's it.